Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're taking good care of yourself. My name is Priyasha and I am a makeup blogger, you can say, or influencer if you want to call me that. But yes, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, so hello, I make makeup videos and I make makeup tutorials. So anything related to makeup and everything related to makeup you will find here. So I would request you to hit the subscribe button. But on the second note, if you're a regular subscriber, welcome back. I love you and I missed you all from the bottom of my heart, and I know that I promised that I'll be regular with the YouTube content, but since past 1 month I haven't put up anything because I had no content to shoot. It was not that I was on a break or something. I am very regular with the Instagram content. I have been only shooting that. The reason being it's all in the video. Quickly jump into that. So the reason being that I wasn't available for 1 month on YouTube was that there were many back-to-back brand campaigns. I shifted home again. Welcome back to my paradise. Welcome back to my abode, naturally. So I shifted home again. I am back at house, back to my solace, back to my happy place, my peace. So this thing happened, so shifting and everything. Then Ganesh Chaturthi came in, so I was packed like for 10 days in that. I had no time to do anything. The only thing on my mind was Ganesh Chaturthi. So that came in, and then some upside down. I had some other things going on. So in a nutshell, in this past 1 month where I wasn't able to put the video was because of shifting. I had Ganesh Chaturthi at home, and C, many things were going on in place, and to take out time for a proper YouTube video to sit and film for all of you, it was a very tedious task, and I knew it, I had to do it, but with all the things coming in place together at the same time, it was very overwhelming for me, and I never thought that at the age of 19 I will be doing that, and just the light went buff. Just give me a second, I have to fix it. This is a proper makeup tutorial, but I really wanted to share all of this with all of you because you all know that you are my extended family, and I have always been very informative about what are the things that I'm doing and what I am putting out or what has been going in my life, because it's somewhat very personal to me. Connection, that is why I'm sitting here and you're watching my video. So yes, but before I start speaking enough talking, coming to the video. So this video is a full face of My Glam products. I have many My Glam products over the month. I started working with My Glam in April 2021, and I'm still working with them, of course, but so over these months, like, they have gifted me, and just a pre-note, I work with My Glam. I'm a My Glam beauty content creator and a Plixo content creator, so they send me these goodies every month, and so this all you see right here, babies, is gifted. It's my hard work that I've earned over the year. So they work with me and they send me this, and I work with them. So this is all the My Glam products I have. The only two things I do not have is the foundation and the concealer, because personally I wanted the foundation, but my shade was not available at the first time, and at second time it is not that full coverage foundation. It's a very medium and very thick foundation, which I personally avoid using, but I'm planning to ask the company to send me that in the next month. So let's see if my shade is available, because it has only 3 foundation shades, and concealers are out of stock on My Glam. So yep, so foundation and concealer is by Maybelline today, else everything is by My Glam, and I have like multiple products of My Glam, so I will be giving the review as well. So I hope you all will enjoy watching this tutorial, and yes, we'll quickly jump into the tutorial now. Thank you for listening. I have there My Glam Tinted Perfection Base Primer and Pore Minimizer. So this is the transparent primer. This is the silicone one primer, and it has a pink undertone because my skin tone is a pink undertone. It has also the yellow illuminating primer, but as I say that there are very few brands that I use for that primer. One is MAC and another one is the L'Oreal BB one. But this is a very nice pink undertone primer, and it is actually the glowy primers. And look at the packaging, it's so chic primer. It is. Just wait. My Evergreen and my go-to foundation. From Miniso. This is a brush holder. It's a very, I don't know why my products are lying in here. Okay, mom used it yesterday. Mom was trying to find something. Again, my glam products. Finally I found it. But so I got this brush set from Miniso. Miniso is taking my money. Like, it's actually taking my money. So I got this very cute. I can see all the brushes. I can pick it out. Very perfect one. I'm using my beauty blender to blend it all out, just to make my face look more even. Concealers, I'm using my Maybelline Age Rewind ones. Easy peasy concealers. Radiant Matte Compact with me. You all know that I prefer compact over setting powders. It's in the shade Serving Face. Yep. I don't know the shade number, but you can check it on the app. But it's Serving Face. I know this much. Okay. The compact is very good. This is how it looks. It is very pretty. Okay, able to see me. It's very pretty, very natural to your skin. It is not one of those heavy compacts that you would avoid using. It is actually really nice. This is the consistency. Like मैं जानबूझ के ऐसे करी to show you like how easy to apply it is. You just take this much. Airbrush. Moving on to the contour. Now in contour I have 3 things from my glam. One is their Pose HD foundation. Now this is a foundation stick, but I have ordered it in the shade Espresso, which works as a contour stick from me, and it is actually really nice because it's a foundation stick, so it has that blending very easily quality, so it blends beautifully in your skin. The contour looks very nice and very sharp, and you all know that I love that type of contour. So 10 on 10 for this baby right here. I don't know for how much it retails. It retails for $600, and if you're looking for a nice contour stick which is easily blendable and you don't have to like take your brush and build it up aise karke, I will recommend you this one. Then I have the HD bronzer duo. So this is one has a shimmer, a bit of a shimmer texture, and one is a light bronzer duo. This is how it looks. It's in the shade 001 Cinnamon and Terracotta, and it retails for $700. But this is a very nice bronzer. It is all the my glam products. I will say that it's not heavy on the skin. It doesn't look like you have applied a lot of makeup. It's all skin finish and it's very lightweight on the skin. This is also a really good bronzer. So if you're looking for a 2-in-1 bronzer, I will definitely recommend you this one because it has on the lighter tone, which is this shade right here. It has a bit of a shimmer texture as well, which I really like. So this is the second one. Then I have the My Glam Chisel It palette. It has blush on highlighter and the contour. So this contour is like same from the terracotta one. It's not different, but like this is a very deep shade of contour. Okay, you're able to see my legs. But this is a very deep shade of contour as compared to these. Like you can see, this is like very deep and with थोड़े से light है. So like this is the only difference. But today I will be using this bronzer right here. I'm taking my brush and I'm using the light one, the shimmer one, which has a bit of, it's not the shimmer bronzer, but it has a little bit of texture. You can see how smoothly and like butter it glides on. No waste of product. Beautiful the placement is looking. Then moving towards the blush. In blush again I have this deep pink rose shade. I have the HD blush duo. It's in the shade 001 coral / punch. One very coral shade, one very pink baby shade. Then I have the two lip and cheek tints with me. This is in the shade Fever. This is in the shade Frolic. It's a very beautiful nude blush shade. It's actually one of my go-to when I'm wearing it for the lunch dates or lunch time. How beautiful it is. Just look at it. The finish of these tints are unmatchable. Trust me, it looks very beautiful on the skin. You'll see me using these products in the upcoming videos like 2 and 4. And then this one is the Fever. That one had more like a gel consistency, not a gel consistency like a proper blush one. This is more like the water consistency. These are the two swatches. And if you ask my favorite, this is for the date night, for the lunch nights. And I absolutely love these two. Then, oh, I forgot one. I have the one more blush with me. This is the K Play Peach brush. This is by MyGlam, but this is a flavored brush. This is a sweet peach flavored brush and it smells divine. It smells like you're eating peach. The packaging, just look at this beauty. The packaging is everything of this product and it is a very beautiful coral blush, but with this top, this blush will look perfecto, like just perfect. Look at it. So I'm using this only today. We are not using any other blush. I'm using my new blush brush. I got it from Miniso. It's a very nice angled blush. I'll show you how the blush looks. This is how beautiful it looks. The coral vibes, but as you all know, there are always next to blushes. I cannot just wear one blush, so I'm taking my Chisel It palette, a deep rose shade. It's a very beautiful day wear shade. Just a stroke. I have the highlighter. One is this right here. The second one is the Unicorn MyGlam Roll-On Illuminator. It's a magic potion and it is a magic potion. I will be using this today. This highlighter right here is the same, I will not say a dupe, but the same color in a bit like minus 0.5% lighter than the Maybelline Chrome 100 Molten Gold highlighter that I use. ये उसके like 19-20 का फर्क इन दोनों highlighters में. That is the only difference, but it's same to that, so I'll not use this. This is the best roll-on highlighters I have. This is actually the first illuminating roll-on highlighter I have in my vanity. Just look how pretty it looks. Wait. Like, I cannot even tell you how beautiful it looks and for how long it stays on your skin. It's the magic and the skin finishing. You saw me using this in the nude makeup tutorial that I posted, and you saw at that time also like how it looks skin finish and how it looks like just perfect for the skin. I can dive in this. I have the Manish Malhotra eyeliner. I have his mascara right here. It all came in together, and the best piece looks from inside. Isn't it so beautiful? You cannot resist this beauty. But anyways, for the eye makeup today, I am just going to take this light beige shade, and on the top of this the really nice cool pink, not pink, golden undertone shade kind of thing. So we are using the blending brush right here. Coming to the mascara, Manish Malhotra by My Glam. The wand is very, very luminous and great. Just wait. The volume of this mascara is everything. Trust me, it's one of the most voluminous mascaras I've ever used after Maybelline Hyper Curl. I don't know for how much it retails for, but it retails for 900 bucks. 900 bucks is not at all bad for this mascara. The volume this has is like everything. So this right here is right now my go-to after. I mean, I'd say after, but this and Maybelline is right now my go-to mascara. I have, I guess, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lipsticks from My Glam. I'm not gonna take much longer time to explain it, but right now my favorite is this Pie Hunt, and I am using the My Glam Ultimate Stay in the shade Diva. I'm using these both right now.